Are you Nasir Brown?
I'm not here today showing special appearance.
I'm sorry, speak up so I
I'm
can hear you.
here today
You're appearing here today?
by special appearance.
Okay, what is your name?
I'm a third party intervener on behalf of.
Notice how calm the judge stays here. She doesn't get pulled into a debate over legal buzzwords. Instead, she simply rules on the objection and moves the hearing forward. That's a hallmark of experienced judges. They keep the case focused on the actual charges, not distractions. Here's a question for you. Would you argue with a judge over internet legal theories, or would you focus on defending the case itself?
Official legal entity, not said right.
Okay. At one point in your, at some point in your life prior to being this third party, were you Nasir Brown?
No,
You're not him.
I'm a third party intervener.
So here's the thing. If you don't tell me your name, I'm going to put you in custody for not cooperating this morning. I'm not going to, hold on. I understand you. It's not going to help you a single bit in court to try to play these games.
That's relative.
So are you Nasir Lewis Brown, or have you been him at some point in your life or not?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to call you by Mr. Brown because I'm not going to say all the words that you just said, because you've now identified yourself as Nasir Lewis Brown. And so, Mr. Brown, this is your initial appearance, and you have two cases. And cause number 26, I just asked you not to speak over me. So here's the thing, Mr. Brown. I'm going to be very patient.
And at the child subject matter jurisdiction, going on record.
Your challenge of the subject matter jurisdiction is overruled. Okay? So this is your initial appearance, your first day in court. I'm required to go through what you're charged with by indictment. In cause number 26, DCCR 0322, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation from February 16th of 2026. And then in cause number 26, DCCR 0323, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of injury to a child, and that's from February 16th of 2026. Out of jail on your cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
This is been upset.
Speak up so I can.
Up and down.
It's been up and down?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Brown, is I'm just like everyone else. I'm resetting your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. You need to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? I'm sorry?
Overstand.
Do you understand what I'm saying, sir?
I'm blind.
You'll oblige?
I'm blind. Yeah.
Okay. You just determined to use different words and be difficult, aren't you?
No.
Okay. So as a condition of your bond, did you have a condition that you were not to have any contact or communication with the complaining?
And we're off to one of the most recognizable courtroom tactics on the internet. The defendant starts using phrases like third-party intervener and refuses to identify himself in a conventional way. These arguments often come from the so-called sovereign citizen movement, which claims courts lack authority over them. The problem? Courts across the country have consistently rejected these theories. In the courtroom, legal authority comes from the law, not from changing the words you use.
Witnesses in each of these cases, right? Okay, and so I want to make sure you understand the importance of that, and that if you do have any contact or communication with either of them, it would be a violation of that bond condition. If I find out, your bond would be raised and you would go back to jail. Do you understand that as well?
Overstand.
You overstand.
Same thing.
I'm going to guess that overstand is even better than understand. So you definitely know what I'm talking about, right? So we don't have any miscommunication today. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yes.
So I'm going to have you step in front of the clerk. You're going to sign a reset notice so you know when to be back in court, and take care of those things before the next court date. All right, step in front of the clerk.